three lang, three lang. Down. Close mouth. Go. One, two, three. Down. Close mouth. One, two, three, four, five. Good job. Galing. Very good. Try natin second counts. Kaya, inhale, walang sip na ito. Down. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good job. Ang galing. Walang sip ng water ha. Sa nose, saka sa mouth ha. All up naman siya. Inhale up to 10. Go. Now, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. Galing ha. Mapupunta ka na.
Galing mo. O ikaw nga, subukan mo. Hindi deep head o. Tingnan mo sila yan o. No. Deep head. O, nag-hide siya. Ikaw nga, subukan mo. Ganun. Very good. Good job. O, sige. O, tingnan mo siya. Ay, hide mo siya. Di na ma-hide. Pakita mo. Hide mo head mo. O, tingnan mo siya. Nag-hide siya ng head o. Ready? Let's try na. Here. Small. Small. Kick. And then, lay down yung tummy mo. And then, you can kick it. Ready? Kick ka mo doon. Yan ah. Ay. Stop paddle. Dog paddle. Scoop natin yung hands natin. Then kick. Nasaan yung kick na pinich ko sa'yo? Kick. Kick. Ganyan. Okay, go. Kick. Yan. Small. Kick. Come on. Go. Kick. Kick. Go. Come on. Kick. 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 Paano yung kick? Kick. 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 Go. Kick. Kick. Oh, okay. Good job. Okay. Good job. Paddle. Oh, without hold. Without hold. May floater ka. May floater. Practice mo yung butterfly. Go, scoop hands. Kick, come on, go. Scoop, kick. Come on, scoop. Kick, scoop. Ay. Butterfly. Close mouth. Down. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Wala ha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, okay. Look up. Hold kita to your head. Ganyan lang, oh. Hawak dito lang. Dito ano ko sa hold kita to your head. Yan lang, oh. Babalik na tayo. Hold kita, hindi kita binitawan. Walang hawak sa akin. Don't hold me, don't hold me. Don't hold me. Look up ka, don't hold me. Don't hold me. Don't hold me. Yung hands natin. Nice na, oh. Oh, okay.